buzzing to be in the kitchen, giving your favorite dishes, your favorite drinks, food, recipe. 15 minutes in your kitchen at home. Done and dusted. Tuna and pasta. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Lovely and nice. Well, welcome back to the guys. I know now I'm going to do my little bit of tuna and pasta. But basically, I want to simply say to you that today we're going to give you a 15 minutes recipe. Very easy, simple, and quick. Basically, as you can see right here in my tuna, right here in my pan, I got 3 cans of tuna right here. And I just strain it out, drain off the liquid, and get them ready. So basically what I'm gonna do now is to show you how you can make this work into 15 minutes and not 20 minutes. First of all, I want to say the pasta with the water is on already. The water for the pasta is on already. Now I got 3 cans of tuna ready. I got some sweet corn. I got a spring onion, which I'm gonna simply put my knife towards it. Lovely, and I'm gonna just simple pop it right straight here. I got half of a white onion. Lovely. Put it straight inside of it like that. Get all of those flavor straight in it. I got a medium-sized white onion tomato right here. Lovely. Straight on top, and I'm gonna do the other half just like that. So next, red pepper, finely chopped up. On top of it, just like that. Yellow pepper. Lovely, finely chopped up, just on top of it. Green pepper. Lovely, just on top of it, just like that. Then basically we're gonna add a half of this corn towards it. We're not gonna put the whole of the corn because we don't want to have too much corn in it and to kill it. So basically what we're gonna do now, as I can see, that's it right there, looking lovely and nice. So all the ingredients is ready. So now we're ready to fry it up. So let's fry it up now. So basically, as you can see, that's my front pan. I got on the stove about 3 seconds now. Gonna pop some oil in it. Lovely. Give that about a second or 2 seconds. And in the meantime, I get my spoon for stirring my pasta also. Lovely and nice, guys. And I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. Very something very simple. That's the water for the pasta. So basically, as I said, 15 minutes recipe in your kitchen when you come from work, tired, stressed out, have a long day. This is where it comes in really handy. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop everything in like this. Lovely and nice. So as you can see, then we're gonna pop just a little bit of sweet corn, not too much. Little bit of pepper. As you can see exactly what's going on right here. Everything looking lovely and nice. So give it a stir. Allow this for it to cook for up about one nice good 10 minutes. Now my water gonna be getting ready for the pasta. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see, that's the tuna right here. Now we're gonna put some ketchup towards it, bring a lot of flavor to it. Now my water over here starts to get boiled. So what we're gonna do is pop a little bit of olive oil. And now we're gonna pop my pasta. Lovely and nice. So we're gonna make that boil up for roughly one nice good 10 minutes. The best way to cook pasta is make the water boil first. Lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. I don't need to go any more further. Basically, I'm gonna share it up in the next couple of minutes. And that look lovely and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. 15 minutes recipe, guys. Pasta and everything can take 15 minutes. That's it. And the best way to cook the pasta, put it in a boiling water. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So basically everything is done. Now we're gonna share it out and make you guys see exactly what's on the plate. We love it, and it's a 15 minutes recipe, guys, and honestly everything was just clack, click, clack on the time. Let's share it out. Nice and lovely. As you can see, this is the way it look, and basically hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. This is just a 15 minutes recipe, guys, after work recipe. Enjoy it, guys, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you, and hopefully we can do the best and the better in the future. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.